Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video we are going to go over how to do a foundation triple crochet. This is an awesome technique just like in our other videos where you can stitch your first row of stitches at the same time as your foundation chain. This is awesome for the triple crochet because I couldn't imagine chaining 50 and then triple crocheting 50, realizing I should have chained 51. So let's learn how to do it all at the same time. Let's make a slip knot and get that on our hook. We're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to yarn over twice. So you'll end up with about 3 loops on your hook. This might not quite look like loops, but these are going to count as loops in just a second. Then you're going to insert your hook into this first chain here, right down the center, picking up this loop and your back bump. Just like this. So you'll end up with what looks a little bit like a V and 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through that chain. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. And yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. I forget how long a triple crochet can be. So then you end up with what looks like a V at the bottom and your triple crochet on top of that. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into this upside down V here. Oh, there we go. So you'll end up with what looks like an upside down V and 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Remember, you don't want this to be too tight, especially this pull through right here. This is what makes this bottom chain, and you really don't want it to be too tight. Otherwise, your foundation will start to curl in on itself. Yarn over, pull through, creating that chain, that upside down V there. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through those next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now we're getting there. This is looking more and more like the first row of our project. Let's do another one. Yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook into this upside down V. You might want to stretch this one out just a little bit to be sure that the stitches are on top of your chain so that you don't mix it up with this here. You want to insert your hook into the upside down V. So we'll insert our hook there. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only, creating that chain. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, next 2 loops. Yarn over, and last 2 loops. And there you have it, your foundation triple crochet. A super quick way to get to that first row of your triple crochet project. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!